Subscribe now. LG G4 Stylus smartphone was launched in May 2015. The phone comes with a 5.70-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 720 pixels by 1280 pixels at a PPI of 258 pixels per inch. LG G4 Stylus price in India starts from Rs. 10,864. The LG G4 Stylus is powered by 1.2 GHz quad-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 processor and it comes with 1 GB of RAM. The phone packs 16 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 32 GB via a microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the LG G4 Stylus packs a 13-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 5-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The LG G4 Stylus runs Android 5.0 and is powered by a 3000 mAh removable battery. It measures 154.30 by 79.20 by 9.60, high text width x thickness, and weigh 163.00 grams. The LG G4 Stylus is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts microSIM and microSIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, FM, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include proximity sensor and accelerometer.